Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, I have another 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I want to start with a black and white theme. I don't know where it's going to go, but as long as I cover the canvas with colors, with paint, I can always add colors. So this is Dazzling White. From Art Deco. To which I expect to add areas of black and swipe them out. And I may scrape through with mark making tools. And it's nice that it really does not matter how I start. Very nice. No pressure. I'm going to try and put the black in the gaps, but I expect to overlap. And it doesn't matter if it's a little on the thin side, it just means it'll dry faster. Almost time for the Meeden black. I like to get this so it's not catching on the back wall. Okay, I'm going to wipe that off. I have a damp sponge waiting, although I didn't pull it out of the water bucket. I'm going to dry that spatula off. Shake the water off my hand. Now I've got a combination. I've got Anita's black metallic also. Which I might be interested in using in a minute. Or sooner. Let's make sure I shake it at least a little bit. Oops. Whoopses are allowed. Still didn't get that to fully turn. It does if I do it right. Got not enough black. The white will make a good background. If I decide I want to go for color before I'm done with this, I might pick out the Rhapsody Rose, but I haven't checked the top to see if it's available. And I'm thinking about using my silicone rubber brushes to do mark making. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet. Just basically starting to get the canvas covered. I freed it up off the back wall, and now it's just too big for the turntable, that's all. You know what I want to do? It occurs to me I have texture tools. Let me steal some of this paint. And I could start with that if I wanted to. I don't want to do any more of that. I want to see if I've got a texture tool. I'm going to grab, not this. Should have grabbed it in advance. There it is. I got it. I got two of them actually. One with teeth, big teeth, and one with little teeth. That's fun. That's therapeutic. Let's see what happens if I use the other one. Much different. But still fun. I really like doing this. I'm going to go back to the other tool, I think. As soon as I use up my residuals. I might be done really fast. I still think I might be able to convince myself to layer colors over it, but I'm not 100% on that yet. Put that down and bring the other one back again. Actually, I've got two sides, one with much bigger teeth. I wonder what that will look like. Oh, that's cool. Just scratching right in. Very fun. Highly recommend this. Just basically modern art. This one catches more than the other one does. Come on. I gotta not press as hard, or else it stops on the canvas. It catches. I like the cross hatch effect also. I go back to the smaller one. love the half round circles. They make me happy every time I do them. Whoa, that went way out of control, but it was still fun. I could add black again after this. Oh, that needs something. I might have to let it dry and come back. That's what it seems like. My zigzags filled in with paint. I'm glad I went back again and did that over. That was just too much fun. Well, maybe I'll publish a stage one just as a stage one. Wonder if I've got any paint left on here. I am so loving those little wedges. Very, 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 I almost said a bad word, very cool. And I think, really, if I tell the truth, I'm done for now. Although I've got one black spot that I need to do something with. But at least I know the whole canvas is covered with paint. Let's use that that other tool. Alright, that's very cool. I can't be the only one that thinks so. But if I am, that's okay. And I guess I'm not done till I'm done. I'm almost done. Almost put my finger in the painting. Not sure about that. I think I was better off without it, but it's okay. It'll get lost in the wash. Okay, you can't ask for more fun than that, I promise you. No shimmer availability. I'm just going to throw my tools in the bucket. And I think that's just too much fun. Ha! Black and white. I'll have to do it again and add color. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.